स्टूडेंट्स, गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी। उम्मीद है सभी लोग अच्छे होंगे। और आज का टॉपिक है प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन ऑफ एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर। तो आज हम लोग क्वेश्चन लेते हैं। ए हॉर्स इज टाइड टू पेग। पेग का मतलब खूंटा होता है, पेग, एट one corner of a square shaped grass field of side 15 meter by means of a 5 meter long rope. I repeat my question. A horse is tied to peg at one corner of a square shaped grass field of side 15 meter by means of a 5 meter long rope. Now, this is the square field. In this square field ABCD, side of this square field is 15 meter and a horse is tied to this peg A here using peg by the 5 meter long rope. So this horse will graze this much area, this much. So the very first part of the question is, this is 5 meter here. So the very first part is area of that part of the field in which horse can graze. This is the first part of the question. Now in this, as we know here, vertex angle is of 90 degree. Vertex angle of a square is 90 degree. So area of sector we know theta upon 360 pi r square. In this question, theta is 90 degree and radius is 5 meter. That is the length of the rope to which the horse has been tied. So area of field that horse can graze, that is 90 upon 360 pi r square. R is here 5 meter. Now on simplification, this 0 and 0 will cancel. 9 1 ja 9, 9 4 ja. So this is pi, value of pi is 3.14 in question. 5 meter into 5 meter divided by 4. Now 5 5s are 25. 25 multiplied to 3.14. 5 4s are 20. Carry 2. 5 1 ja 5 plus 2 7. 5 3s are 15. 2 4s are 8. 2 1 ja 2 and 2 3s are 6. On addition, 8 plus 7 15. 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 1 8 and 6 plus 1 7. Decimal after 2 places. Now this is 78.50 divided by 4. Now you divide this by 4. You will get here 4 1 ja 4. 3 bring down 8. 4 9 ja 36. 2 bring the decimal here, bring down 5. 6 24, 1, 2. So 19.62 meter square will be the area grabbed by horse. Now in second part, if the increase in the grazing area of horse, if the rope were 10 meter long instead of 5 meter. Now in the second part, we are to find the increase in area if length of rope has been increased to 10 meter. Now area grazed when rope is 10 meter long. So that will be same formula, theta upon 360 pi r square. Theta is again 90 degree upon 360 into pi, you will keep 3.14 and radius is 10 meter square. So again 94 the and 3.14 into 10 meter into 10 meter. So divide by 4, 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja. So 5 5 ja 25, 25 into 3.14 and which will be equal to here 78.50 meter square. This is the area when the length has increased to. Now increase in area. Increase in area. Grazed by horse. Grazed by horse. That is 78.50 meter square minus 19.62 meter square. Now subtract these two areas. Here 78.50, 19.62. This is 8, 14 minus 6, 8 and 17 minus 9, 8 and 6 minus 1 is 5. So the area will be 58.8 meter square. This is the one way to find the area increased. Now another way, area or increased area that can be calculated by theta upon 360 pi radius of the outer circle minus radius of the smaller circle. So here again I'm drawing the figure here. Earlier your horse was tied to peg by 5 meter long length. Now in second case this has been increased to 10 meter length. So this is the external radius, this is the internal radius and this area we want to calculate. So this is 90 upon 360 pi and this is 10 meter square and this is 5 meter square. 1 upon 4 into pi into this is 100 and this is 25. So this is 1 by 4 into 3.14 into 75. So what we can do is we can multiply 3.14 by 75 and then divide by 4. Now on multiplication and dividing by 4, again you will have area 58.8 meter square. So either way you can solve. this question. So now here similar question we can have here. Two warn ships for underwater rocks. A lighthouse spreads a red colored light over a sector of angle 80 degree to a distance of 16.5 kilometer. Find the area of the sea over which the ships are warned. So this is the question. In this question, your new question is to warn ships for underwater rocks. A lighthouse spreads a red colored light over a sector of angle 80 degree to a distance of 16.5 kilometer. Find the area of the sea over which the ships are warned. Now, in this question, this is the lighthouse, and this is spreading a light an angle of 80 degree. So this part will be the area where ships can be warned. So this is the area of the sector, and the length to which rays are reaching, that light is reaching, will work as the radius. So here area of sector, this formula will be again theta upon 360 pi r square. Here theta is 80 degree, here this 80 degree, and this is 360. Value of pi is 3.4 and radius is 16.5 kilometer. So on simplification, 0 and 0 will cancel. 4 2 ja 8, 4 9 ja 36. So this will become 2 upon 9 into 3.14 into 16.5 into 16.5. 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9, 3 5 ja 15 and 3 5 ja 15. Again 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15, 3 5 ja 15. So finally your area will be 3.14 into 5.5 into 5.5. So I hope you can multiply these figures. The 2 multiplied to 5.5, that is 11. 11 multiplied to 5.5, this will give you 11 5s are 55, and 11 5s are 55 plus this 60.5, and then 65.5 multiplies to 3.14. So that will give you 189.97. That is 189.97 kilometer square. So this is the area. So all these problems are based on the area of the sector. Or at last, I would like to remind you all regarding this. In this chapter we have learned the use of the formula. Number 1, length of an arc. Length of an arc of a sector, right? Of a circle with radius r and with angle theta degree is theta upon 360 into 2 pi r, or theta upon 360 pi into d. D stands for diameter. Second formula we have used area of sector of a circle, that is theta upon 360 pi r square. And third formula we have used here area of segment of circle, and that is area of corresponding sector minus area of corresponding triangle. So here now the difference between the sector and segment is, this is the sector, here this is the theta, this whole part of the circle, this one. And you know segment, what is called segment? Segment is, this is the sector and this part is triangle. So ABC, OAB, this part is called segment. This is the radius, this is the theta. With this we are closing this chapter. In the coming session we will look for the questions based on geometrical interpretation of the circle. Thank you very much.